If you have been using Google Drive like me to safeguard your digital realm, then you might want to reconsider your cloud heaven now. Even though Google Drive is hugely lauded for its integration and ease of use, it is not without its drawbacks, particularly when compared to other cloud storage options like Ice Drive and pCloud. And let's not talk about security. That's another big red flag in Google's case. In today's video, I will be sharing a better alternative to Google Drive and why you would want to switch to this cloud storage. And trust me, you'll be surprised by the results as I went into some in-depth features, research, and testing. So watch this video till the end and decide for yourself which service you would prefer. Well, on my Finding a Better Cloud Storage adventure, I came across many industry favorite names, but big names don't mean the best. Whether it's pricing, security, or user interface, it has to be a perfect mix of all, and that's where I found pCloud. This service offers the best in security, added features, and value for your precious money. Let me show you why is that so. Let's start this duel by comparing the features of pCloud and Google Drive. Both offer easy and intuitive ways to manage your files. You can drag and drop files to upload them, create folders and subfolders to organize them, and sync them across your devices using desktop and mobile apps. You can also access your files offline and view and open various file types without downloading them. However, pCloud has an edge over Google Drive in this category because it offers some unique features that Google Drive doesn't. For example, pCloud has a virtual drive feature, which means that your files are stored online, but they appear as if they are on your local hard drive. This way, you can save space on your device and access your files faster and easier. pCloud also has a rewind feature, which allows you to restore your files to a previous version for up to 30 days. This is useful if you accidentally delete or overwrite a file, or if you want to go back to an earlier draft. Google Drive, on the other hand, doesn't offer virtual drive. So, for file management, I give pCloud 5 stars and Google Drive 4 stars. When it comes to file sharing, pCloud takes the lead over Google Drive in this category because it offers more options and flexibility. pCloud also lets you password protect your links and add a download limit, so you can control who can access your files and how many times they can download them. Google Drive, on the other hand, doesn't have these features, and it also limits the size of the files you can share, depending on your storage plan. So, for file sharing, I give pCloud 5 stars and Google Drive 3 stars. Talking about file backup, pCloud is a step ahead in this category because it offers more security and reliability for file backup. It offers a crypto feature, which is an optional add-on that lets you encrypt your files with a password and store them in a secure folder that only you can access. This way, you can protect your files from hackers, malware, or unauthorized access. pCloud also has a backup feature, which lets you back up your files from other cloud services, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and Facebook, to your pCloud account. This way, you can have a second copy of your files and access them from one place. Google Drive, on the other hand, doesn't have these features, and it also has some security and privacy issues. So, for file backup, I give pCloud 5 stars and Google Drive 2 stars. So, as you can see, pCloud beats Google Drive in terms of features, with a total score of 15 compared to Google Drive's 9. Now, let's compare the pricing plans of pCloud and Google Drive. pCloud offers monthly, annual, and lifetime plans. Monthly plans start from $4.99 with a 500 GB storage limit. The annual plan starts from $49.99 with a 500 GB storage limit, and the lifetime plan starts from $199 with a 500 GB of storage limit. And if you want to use the pCloud crypto feature, it comes with an extra cost. Google Drive, on the other hand, has 3 plans: 100 GB for $1.99 per month, 200 GB for $2.99 per month, and 2 TB for $9.99 per month. However, pCloud has a huge advantage over Google Drive in this aspect because it offers a lifetime plan, which means that you can pay once and use the service forever without any recurring fees. Google Drive, on the other hand, doesn't offer a lifetime plan, which means that you'll have to keep paying every month or every year, which can add up over time. So, for pricing, I give pCloud 5 stars and Google Drive 3 stars. As you can see, pCloud beats Google Drive in terms of pricing, so if you're looking for a cloud storage service that is affordable and worth your money, pCloud is your best bet. Next, let's compare the security measures of pCloud and Google Drive. Both use SSL/TLS encryption to secure your files during transit, which means that your files are encrypted when they are uploaded or downloaded from the cloud. However, pCloud has a significant advantage over Google Drive in this aspect because it also uses AES-256-bit encryption to secure your files at rest, which means that your files are encrypted when they are stored on the cloud. Google Drive, on the other hand, only uses AES 128-bit encryption to secure your files at rest, which is weaker and less secure than AES 256-bit encryption. Moreover, pCloud offers an optional add-on called pCloud Crypto, which lets you encrypt your files with a password and store them in a secure folder that only you can access. This is called zero-knowledge encryption, which means that pCloud has no access to your files or your password, and no one can decrypt your files without your password. Google Drive, on the other hand, doesn't offer zero-knowledge encryption, which means that Google has access to your files and your password and can decrypt your files if they want to, or if they are compelled by law. So, for encryption, I give pCloud 5 stars and Google Drive 3 stars. When it comes to compliance policy, pCloud has a slight advantage over Google Drive in this aspect because it has a more favorable location than Google Drive. pCloud is based in Switzerland, which is known for its strict and neutral laws and regulations for data protection and security. Google Drive, on the other hand, is based in the US, which is known for its lax and intrusive laws and regulations for data protection and security, and is subject to the jurisdiction of the US or the EU. So, for compliance, I give pCloud 5 stars and Google Drive 4 stars. So as you can see, pCloud beats Google Drive in terms of security, with a total score of 10 as compared to Google Drive's 7. So if you're looking for a cloud storage service that is safe and trustworthy, pCloud is the one for you. Finally, let's compare the space efficiency of pCloud and Google Drive. pCloud offers 10 GB of free space. Google Drive, on the other hand, offers 15 GB of free cloud storage, which seems more but includes shared cloud space from your email attachments. Both use compression to reduce the size of your files and save space and bandwidth. pCloud uses LZ4 compression, which is one of the fastest and most effective compression algorithms available, and can compress and decompress files at speeds of over 500 EMBs. Google Drive, on the other hand, uses zlib compression, which is an older and slower compression algorithm that can only compress and decompress files at speeds of around 100 MBs. So, for compression, I give pCloud 5 stars and Google Drive 4 stars. So, as you can see, pCloud and Google Drive are almost equal in terms of space efficiency, with a total score of 5 for pCloud and 4 for Google Drive. So, if you're looking for a cloud storage service that is optimized and resourceful, pCloud and Google Drive are both good options. So, there you have it. I've compared pCloud and Google Drive in terms of features, pricing, security, and space. It's now time for you to decide which cloud storage works best for you. And if that's not enough, pCloud is offering a massive 65% discount on sign-up. So, what are you waiting for? Try out pCloud for yourself and see the difference. You can sign up for a free account or a discounted lifetime plan by clicking on the link in the description below. And don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences with pCloud and Google Drive in the comments section. I'd love to hear from you. Also, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.